communities, but the people who are they're competing, and then they come over here and donate their time and their energy and their money. How special is that?
There's honestly like no words for it, truthfully. It's so, like, I am moved. You know, I see the impact that their support has on the Wish kids, their family, and even the community that surrounds their family. There's nothing like it.
They're a good group of people, and somebody needs something, they're willing to always step up. That's just the way they are. It's in their hearts.
You know, you sell a picture for $15,000 that probably cost, $10 to make. People aren't really buying items. They're donating money to a great cause.
Anytime you get an opportunity, I don't care if you see a bucket, throw $5 in, just keep supporting it because those kids deserve it.
Come on, people, open up those billfolds.
The American flag. Now that is just, that makes it look like it's waving. That is impressive. Hey, what are we thinking here? Let's start again, Hunter. Let's go.
What kind of things can we see auctioned off today?
Well, we got lots of fun stuff today. We have this really amazing, cool picture over here. It is a aerial view of Saturday night at last year's event that we're super excited about. We've got this really old wagon behind us over here. Somebody created a combine, I believe it's a fire pit. We've got all kinds of specific Make-A-Wish things, and lots of the pollers have donated all kinds of fun stuff. So, and then we even have this massive tractor, zero-turn tractor over here, riding mower. So we're super excited and grateful for all that, and can't wait to see what it does.
I went through and I looked. I've got my eye on a couple things. Yeah, absolutely.
$500.
I like your style, Steve. $350. It's getting close to supper. And $75. Got a barbecue.
So our main goal here is honestly the children and Make-A-Wish. So we have a club poll every month at Northwest Ohio Scale Pullers. You can find us on Facebook. So every dollar we make that we don't need to put into like maintaining our equipment goes to Make-A-Wish. So we have a $5,000 check to give a Make-A-Wish. Another one of our amazing sponsors, Dixie Dirt Slingers, donated a custom chrome molly mini rod looking just like Dusty Price's Bacon Bits. So that's down to Make-A-Wish auction for the $330. Hopefully someone can bring some cash. Yep, we're just here to try to help and help kids get wishes get granted.
I've been wanting to put a children's book together for almost 10 years. We have 4 granddaughters, and the oldest one's 9. So, and we read our children's books like you wouldn't believe, and then our grandkids, we've read so many books too. And I just thought, I think I can do this.
People have been buying them and handing them to little kids in the stand. Some people have bought them and said, I'm donating this to my local library. I don't have any children.
So I was just told that you guys just presented a check to Make-A-Wish for $6,000.
Yeah.
Tell me about that. What kind of generosity you guys have found with Make-A-Wish, and why you found it in your heart to do that?
Yeah, it's been over the top. We've been supporting Make-A-Wish since we've been pulling out here. We started pulling in 2018, and we donated stuff to the auction, bought stuff.
I have a wish granted, ladies and gentlemen, for that first flag right there, a $10,000.
All right, so we're here at the Make-A-Wish auction. This beautiful flag, Metal Works flag, comes up, and you said, how much to make a wish? Let's do it. Tell me about it.
Actually, we have a pretty big story with this. We have a great niece that when she was about 22, 23 months old, she was diagnosed with a form of childhood leukemia, and so we've been pretty big being here and making that work. It's just, she's been on her Make-A-Wish. She's totally in recession. She is about 9.5 right now, so we're hoping that it just stays this way. She's doing good.
A family friend of ours has a daughter with cerebral palsy, and they've had a wish granted by Make-A-Wish, so it's just an incredible foundation.
We're lucky enough to have 4 healthy granddaughters, but some people are not that lucky.
We all have healthy children, and there's some children that don't get that chance, and it's the least that we could do. And I think between the 3 of us, at least, we've probably granted over 100 wishes in the last 10, 15 years.
Met some guy here one time, and this was like 12 years ago, and his daughter was, a Make-A-Wish girl, and she had some rare blood disease. And my little girl at the time was about the same age, and she's fine. When we went home that day, I told my wife, I said, we got to do something to help these kids out. And that's how this all started. Sometimes we bring, just outrageous stuff that I've made. A lot of them are pedal tractors that I hand make and stuff. So I have a bunch of friends, they're all farmers, and they said, well, what are you making out of that? I said, I get nothing. Something in your heart you get. that money can't replace. You know, some of these kids don't want the world. Some of them just want their bedroom painted and stuff like that.
Everything makes a difference.
Yeah.
Yep.
The 4 here, 4.5. Anybody else? 4.5? 4.5, 4.5. Sold at 400. Put them on number 609. 609.
National Tractor Pulling Championships, presented by Maxim Tire.